This is the mouth.
Hey, this is the mouth coming to you today with a video how I made a shrimp scampi in a hotel room. It is a one-bedroom hotel room, basically like a one-bedroom apartment. It's got the living room separate from the living room, and it's got a kitchen. And excuse me, I made shrimp scampi right on the stove. And I'm going to show you how I did it in this video. This is really good. Alright, so here's the video of how I did it. Alright, this is the mouth coming today, making some shrimp scampi in a hotel room on the stove. I think they have, what do you call those things? Toaster ovens, which was initially what I was going to use. I think they got them downstairs, but I'm not going to request it. So I'm just going to use the regular pan, put some foil here, and I actually don't have it on right now. It's the front. Okay, so I've got me some shrimp right here, some butter, and I'm going to use that thing, onion powder, as well as some butter here. So this is the high part. Alright, so I'm going to put some butter in here. I really don't know how much butter to use. But I'm going to use probably about a tablespoon. Yeah, a tablespoon of butter. I guess I probably should use a knife. No big deal. There we go. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put it all in there. It's probably a lot of butter. But we've got about 7 pieces of shrimp. I'm gonna let that melt. Alright, so we're back. The butter has pretty much melted. I'm not even quite sure how this is done, but I'm going to add the shrimp into the butter. This is 2 tablespoons of butter for 7 pieces of shrimp. Now, I didn't have to use the foil, but it would be easier to plate it with all the, in its sauce without having to pour it on the plate. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. There we go. Just like that. Put that in the sink. Yeah. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Okay, just do it now. I'm going to grab a go. I'm going to add some onion powder that I brought. Okay. And some PMS. Let's see here. PMS, which stands for pasta, meat seasoning, basil, parsley, rosemary, and thyme. There we go. I might have put too much on there, but I think that's alright. I might add more. I need some salt. Well, some more PMS on it. I like the taste of PMS. Again, it's a combination of basil, parsley, rosemary, and thyme herbs. Let me give it a good shot here. Flashlight is on. Oh, darn it. Anyway. Right. A little bit of salt. The hotel gives you salt. So. Nice hotel, 1-bedroom suite, where the bedroom is actually separate from the living room. Nice full-size kitchen. Put a little salt on that. That's not too salty. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Pepper from the hotel. This is one of those hotels that puts dinner for you, inclusive with the price. Some do a light meal, some, you know, a little more than that. All right. Smelling good. I think they make good little finger snacks. I didn't bring so. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it's done. Good. Smells good. You can just take it off and throw it away if you want. And eat. Yeah. Get one of their plates. I get the small one because I'm not eating anything else with it. I'm just going to take it from the skillet. Put it right there. We have a nice plate, small plate. I didn't get the big one. Small plate of shrimp scampi made in a hotel room. It's a 1-bedroom. It's basically a 1-bedroom apartment. Okay, so, and there we have it. I'm going to chow down. A little bit of drink. A little bit of drink to go with that. And a fork. And that would be it. Where's the camera? Where's the eye at? Alright, there we go. It's pretty good. I'll put the recipe in the description below. Or I might just include it as captions when I... that's good. That's really good. So this has been, I'll put the recipe in the description below. Or on screen.
This is the mouth.
Coming at you from ATX, doing it like I do it here. Make sure you subscribe now. Thumbs up a video if it makes you happy, and I appreciate all of my wonderful subscribers.
This is the mouth.